You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? I know this word is confusing indeed. Let's break down the pronunciation in English. If you want to learn, by the way, more vocabulary that is confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you want to learn from. Peer, you're going to have two slightly different pronunciations. Listen carefully. British English is peer, P-A. The R is not really pronounced. It's kind of silent in British English in the UK, peer. Now, the American English pronunciation is as peer, peer. You pronounce the R as R. Peer, American English, US pronunciation, or peer, British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.